Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best survival knife. Here are the top 3 survival knives that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Morakniv Companion Sparked Outdoor Knife. This knife has a 3.9-inch sharp stainless steel blade that can cut tinder, carve and prepare food. It includes a fire starter that is made from magnesium alloy and produces a 3000 OC spark. The anti-slip handle delivers a strong grip due to high friction and effective hand knife orientation. The knife possesses a Scandinavian grind that produces a sharp edge with exquisite cutting properties. It has a lanyard for easily portability along with a protective polymer sheath for safekeeping the accessory. At number 2. Cold Steel 4 Max Scout Folding Knife. The knife's blade is made from AUS 10A steel that is 5 mm thick to provide strength and toughness. Its handle is made from durable Griv-X with stainless steel liners and a Griv-X back spacer to provide excellent grip and strength. The accessory has a triad lock mechanism that provides a holding capacity of 600 pounds without any damage or rupture. This product possesses an extra wide, drop-point blade and a stone wash finish to render an aesthetic appeal and smooth finishing. Cold Steel Folding Knife carries a weight of 10.88 ounces and its dimensions measure 6.5 by 2.5 by 1.25 inches. At number 1. Schrade Fixed Blade Knife. This survival knife is 13 inches long with a 7-inch sharp blade and carries a weight of 1 pound. Its blade is made from durable 1095 high-carbon steel that renders sustainability over a long period of time. This accessory has a black polyester belt sheath for securely carrying the knife from one place to another. Its ring-textured, thermoplastic, comfortable handle renders a sturdy and strong grip for proper functioning and swift maneuvering. Schrade blade knife features a full tang design, ferro rod, sharpening stone and a lanyard hole for safekeeping. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.